Hello friends, so today we will start a new chapter number 3, Glimpses of Past. So this chapter here, some pictorial images they have given, and here we will study about our history from year 1757 to 1857 in form of pictures. So the first image is of a lady who is Lata Mangeshkar, and she is singing the patriotic song "Ae Mere Watan Ke Logo" for the soldiers who died and sacrificed their life for the country. Now this is the second image. The second image is about the company's conquest. It means how the East India Company explored in India. So you can see a map is given here. This map is of year 1765. The yellow color is of Indian prince where they were ruling, and the pink color is for British territory. So they have started their journey in India from the eastern part. So all the rulers, now they were under the control of British Empire. Rivalries were going everywhere. People were now discussing about that our kings are dethroned by the Britishers. They were now the person who is ruling on us. They were giving us command how to behave. So these all are the things which were going in the past period. Now the third image, this image is telling us about the British rule. So all the people, those who were in religious work, they were saying that these thing which Britishers are doing in our country, this is not a good thing. We have to pay for it. And the other side, Britishers were taking work from the people. They were taking their crops, and they also sending people to jail without any reason, on the basis of just on the basis of if they are having any doubt on the person. Also the poor people, the peasants, as well as the small artisans, they were now suffering a lot because of this. They are not getting proper food to eat that time. They were the people who were who suffered a lot because of the Britishers, and also there were few people who were just working for the Britishers. Now this is the fourth image. This is about Ram Mohan Roy. Ram Mohan Roy was a man who was very active that time. He want everybody to study. He fought for the women's right also. He want that he was speaking in the favor of our country. He want that if they are ruling on us, then they have to treat everybody equally. He was giving lot of knowledge. He also started a newspaper, but the Britishers, on suspicious note, they stopped it in year 1823. Now the fifth one is Operation. So here in the fifth one, we can see that how the Britishers were oppressing, how they were treating the people of India. So as I mentioned you before also, that's just on the basis of doubt, they used to keep anyone in the jail without any court trial, without anything. They were doing their private business in this. They were earning for the company, and all the people that time was just dying without food, without work in the country. So this was the treatment how Indians were receiving in their own nation. Now this is dissatisfaction. It means a feeling that arose in Indians that time, that they are not satisfied how the behavior Britishers are doing with them. They started talking about it, that Britishers are not treating us properly, they are not treating us equally, they are just taking the benefit from us. They were giving education to only people whom they want to take work, but they were discussing that language, English or any language, should be taught to everybody in the nation. And there's a map also in which you can see, it's a map of 1856, that how much the area of the country was covered by the British Empire. So everyone is now discussing also that they are just converting our brothers, they are just doing for their own sake whatsoever the changes they are bringing in the nation. Now here the spark arises in the mind and in the heart of Indians also. They at last conclude that Britishers are not doing anything good for them. So in different areas a war started over there. So you can see here in Bengal also the peasants were just make a revolution against the Britishers. Here also the army soldier, they were complaining that Britishers are neither giving them promotion and also giving them the so slow and less salary in comparison to the Britishers. In religious area also the people were complaining that Britishers are just dividing them, they are just dividing Hindu and Muslims. So the Indians started a chapati system on which they were making their dissatisfaction against the British Empire and sending it to the people for making a group for themselves, that group can stand against the Britishers. They were making a group and getting their agreement on the chapati. At last here the revolt started, that feeling that made a turned into a revolt, which was of 1857, in which the revolution spread wider everywhere. The first violent breakout at Meerut, then also in Delhi, and later on everywhere. Many landlords also, they were just get ready that they will help the soldiers from saving us and our nation against British Empire. And this was the fight for the freedom in which Lucknow also, from Lucknow also, and everywhere the Maulvi Ahmadullah at Faizabad, he also started raising his voice against Britisher. And also 80 years old Kunwar of Bihar, he also fought for the British, for the nation against the Britishers, and he got a bullet also at his wrist. So this was the entire chapter. Here this is a pictorial chapter in which we had studied that how they entered first, they started spreading their empire, then how a feeling arises in the mind of Indians also, that Britishers are doing wrong in their nation, they are not treating them good. The spark arise, and then spark convert into a revolt, and at last fight for the freedom. So this was in the chapter. I hope the chapter is clear to you. Thank you.